Malapit na ba yung Christmas pero hindi ka pa makaisip ng makeup look na gagawin mo? Well, I got you. First step, of course, is the primer. So, I'm going to use Shawil primer. Illuminator. So, I'm going to use BLK Cosmetics Radiant Glow Filter, shade Butterscotch. I'm just going to blend this using my finger lang. Cupid's bow and sa nose. Yan. Color correcting. Medium peach corrector. So, I'm going to conceal. Stroke Spot Veil Concealer. I am in the shade medium 03. That lang dyan sa may under eye. Sa may chin, acne marks. Ayan. Spot concealing lang tayo. I'm going to blend this. This is my Mochi blender. Medyo madumi na siya kasi lagi ko talaga siyang ginagamit. Next is the foundation. Foundation that I'm going to use is the Easy Active Foundation. So, ang shade ko dito ay NM3. Gagawin natin is from center of face, palayo. We're not going to put foundation directly sa dito sa my nose. Kung ano yung matira mamaya pag nag-blend tayo. Ayun na yung ating gagamitin para sa nose natin. We are going to blend first using a flat brush. Yan. Ang ganda nung lapat sa skin ng Easy Foundation. No? Parang skin mo lang siya. Blend mo rin dito sa may chin area. So, ayan na nga. Yung mga tira dito, saka natin ilalagay sa my nose. And we are going ahead with the sponge para lang i-blend siya sa edges. Next is burnt tour. I'm going to use the BLK Matte Cushion 1 in the shade Caramel. Dito sa side ng nose. Dito lang, konti. Dito, konti. And we're gonna blend. Next is blush. I'm going to use Vice Cosmetics Do It All blush in the shade Charming. So, ilagay natin siya medyo close sa ating eyes and then pataas. And then, ilapit nyo siya sa contour na ginawa nyo. And then, dito sa may tip ng nose. And then, blend. And then, next would be the liquid highlight. Cushion 1 in the shade Champagne. So, dito lang sa tip ng nose. Dito sa nose bridge. High points ng aking face. Then, of course, we're going to set our face. We're going to be using the Choo Choo loose powder. I'm in the shade Almond. Then, I'm going to set my blush. I'm just going to use yung Pretty dito sa Pretty Betty. Konting-konti lang. Tapos, hindi na natin isi-set yung highlighter natin kasi we're going to do a glittery eyeshadow. So, masyado ka nang magiging matingkad. Baka palitan mo na yung Christmas lights sa office nyo. Next, I'm going to do is my brows. So, i-make sure ko lang na walang product sa aking brows. I'm going to use the Absidy brow gel. Masyado mahaba talaga yung pangalan nito, kaya hindi ko sinasabi ng buo. Anong favorite ninyong Christmas movie? Sa akin, ano ba sa akin? Siguro Princess Switch. Lalo na yung part, I think 3 yun. Yung tatlo sila, no? And I'm just going to fill in my brows using the Easy Brow Detailing Pen in the shade Ash Brown. Next is the eyeshadow. So, I'm going to use muna yung Easy Eyeshadow Concealer Base. Hindi ko masyadong gusto talaga yung amoy nito. Hindi ko siya masyadong maamoy ngayon kasi meron ako sipon, pero basta. I'm going to use yung Vice Cosmetics Stargaze Eyeshadow Duet. Ito ay ang Stellar. Tapos, next is yung Wish. I'm going to use the Stellar, yung brownish color niya. Nilagay ko lang onti dito sa taas. Sa crease area. Then, lipat tayo sa Wish. Yung pinkish. Sa kalahati lang ng eyelids, maglagay tayo ng space dito with darker shades. And i-blend ko siya doon sa mas lighter shade ng pink. Stellar again, yung kanilang luster. Tignan niyo yung grabe yung ano. Di ba? magsispray na ako ng setting spray para sa ating base. So, I use yung Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. Next, we will curl our lashes. So, I'm going to use the Easy mascara. I forgot the full name of this. Of course, una natin ilalagay is yung mascara base. And then, yung actual mascara niya. Next, we're going to put a cluster lash. Cluster lashes. So, I'm going to use the lash band from Eliza first. Then, ito yung gagamitin ko na cluster lashes. This is the Sunflower. So, I'm just going to put this off camera kasi hindi pa ako masyadong confident sa paglalagay ko ng lashes eh. Lastly is yung lips. I'm going to use Detail lip trace. And then Bare and Bliss Magical Mimosa. And this is our final look. Thanks for watching!